Leah. I am going to show you how to use a stencil with decor wax from Redesign with Prima. So the stencil I'm using is on the top of my piece of furniture, and I have a solid coat of paint on here, and I am going to be using the Distressed Wallpaper stencil. Okay, so I have my stencil out and I'm ready to go, and I kind of want to center it just a bit so that it's even on either side. So it's kind of just running right down the middle. And I'm going to take my decor wax, and I have a flat-headed stencil brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and dip some in. And then I usually take some cardboard and just kind of rub it out so that I get a clean stencil, or a clean, even distribution on my brush like this. So now I'm just going to hold my stencil down, and I'm going to work in circles to get this gilding wax to go on to my piece. Now I'm going to take it off. And you can see I have a beautiful stencil here, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to seal it with. Since this is gilding wax and it's an oil-based wax, I'm going to seal it with something special. So after about 24 hours, when it's dry and cured, I will seal it with a spray sealer, a rattle can. This is Rust-Oleum's Satin Clear. So this will help set the oil-based product. Oil-based products really don't need a sealer, but since this is the top of the piece, I will be putting a significant coat of this on the top. I'll probably spray it about 5 times, just light mist. It's not heavy, just like from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, however many times it takes me to go down, and then I'll let that dry for an hour, and then I'll go back. So I'll go back about 5 times, about 5 light coats. So I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, post them for me. I would love to answer.